Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going through the door marked No Entry to reveal the secrets of airport management and operations. Airports are more than just places to transit. They are complex businesses with unique challenges and practices that aren't always visible to the public eye. Most of us see airports as mere gateways to our destinations. But behind the scenes, there's a whole world of operations geared towards maintaining efficiency and profitability. The primary focus is to ensure smooth passenger flow, but there's so much more at play. How airports generate revenue. For starters, have you ever wondered how airports make money? It's not just about the flights. In fact, ticket sales aren't their main revenue source. Airports generate substantial income from retail and dining options. Every time you buy a coffee, a magazine, or even a souvenir, you're contributing to the airport's revenue. These concessions often pay high rent for prime spots, and airports might take a percentage of their sales. Additionally, parking fees are a goldmine. Long-term and short-term parking facilities provide a steady stream of income. Some airports even offer premium parking services at higher rates. Think about it, you might pay more for the convenience of parking closer to the terminal or for additional security features. Some airports now charge drivers even for dropping off passengers at departures. Airports also earn from landing and takeoff fees charged to airlines. These fees can vary based on the time of day, aircraft weight, and other factors. Airlines pay for the privilege of using the airport's facilities, and these fees contribute significantly to the airport's operational budget. One lesser-known revenue stream is advertising. Airports offer a captive audience. Travellers waiting for flights are exposed to a plethora of ads. From digital screens to banners, advertising space in airports is highly valuable, and companies are willing to pay a premium to capture this audience's attention. Airport business models. Let's explore the world of airport business models, from how they make money beyond ticket sales to the strategies they use to manage costs and maximize revenue. As I've just mentioned, one key strategy is the use of non-aeronautical revenue. This term refers to income generated from all the sources mentioned earlier: retail, parking, advertising, and even real estate. Airports often lease out space for hotels, office buildings, and logistics centres, turning their vast land into profit-making assets. Another important aspect is cost management. Airports invest heavily in technology to streamline operations. Automated check-ins, biometric security checks, and advanced baggage handling systems reduce the need for staff and improve efficiency. These innovations save money in the long run and enhance the passenger experience, as long as they work and speed up the process of getting from one point to another. Airports also employ dynamic pricing strategies. Just like airlines adjust ticket prices based on demand, airports might vary their fees for parking or other services. Peak travel times might see higher rates, whereas off-peak periods could offer discounts. This approach helps balance demand and optimizes revenue. The key insight lies in understanding how airports balance the demands of airlines, passengers, and vendors while maintaining profitability in a highly competitive industry. Airports need to keep airlines happy by offering competitive fees and efficient services. At the same time, they must cater to passengers by providing a pleasant experience, from clean facilities to a variety of dining and shopping options. The right choice of vendors plays an important role, as their success directly impacts the airport's revenue. Airports achieve this balance through meticulous planning and constant innovation. For instance, some airports have loyalty programs similar to airlines, rewarding frequent flyers with perks and discounts. These programs encourage repeat business and enhance passenger loyalty. The wider impact of airports. Airports are intricate ecosystems with a web of operations that extend far beyond the runway. It's fascinating to uncover the layers of their business, strategies and nuances. While most travellers are familiar with the passenger side of airports, the cargo operations are another significant part of the business. Airports that serve as major cargo hubs generate substantial revenue from freight operations. Cargo airlines pay for landing rights, storage and handling fees. This segment of the business is vital, particularly for airports situated in major trade routes. Another interesting aspect is how airports manage and optimize their space. Real estate within an airport is incredibly valuable. Airports often lease out spaces to a variety of businesses, including hotels, conference centers, and even business parks. These leases provide a steady income stream and maximize the utility of the available land. Some airports have even developed into major business hubs, with companies choosing to base their offices within the airport complex. The balance between security and convenience is another area where airports walk a fine line. Enhanced security measures are necessary to ensure safety, but can be costly and time-consuming. Airports invest in advanced screening technologies and processes to improve efficiency without compromising security. Innovations like automated passport control, biometric identification, and sophisticated baggage screening systems help to streamline these procedures, reducing wait times and improving passenger satisfaction. Airports are under increasing pressure to adopt greener practices. Many airports are investing in renewable energy sources such as solar panels and wind turbines to power their operations. Some are also implementing more efficient waste management and recycling programs. These efforts not only reduce environmental impact, but can also lead to cost savings in the long term. Airports and the local economy. Airports play a pivotal role in supporting local economies. They provide employment opportunities for thousands of people, from airline staff to retail workers and security personnel. The presence of a major airport can attract businesses and tourism, boosting the local economy. This economic influence extends beyond the airport boundaries, affecting surrounding communities and infrastructure. Think of all the taxis, florists, catering firms, hotels, and other ancillary businesses that benefit from the presence of an airport, even small regional ones. Passenger experience is another critical aspect of airport operations. Airports continually strive to enhance the traveller's journey from the moment they enter the terminal to when they board their flight. This includes amenities like comfortable seating, charging stations, free Wi-Fi, and diverse dining options. Some airports go the extra mile by offering unique features such as spas, art installations, and even indoor gardens, aiming to create a pleasant and memorable experience. Understanding the financial aspects of airports also involves looking at government roles. Many airports are publicly owned and receive government funding. This funding helps support infrastructure projects and improvements. However, airports are often expected to operate profitably and manage their own budgets effectively. This creates a scenario where airports must balance public service responsibilities with business objectives. Passenger feedback. Let's not forget the importance of customer feedback. Airports actively seek feedback from passengers to identify areas for improvement. Surveys, social media interactions, and direct feedback help airports understand passenger needs and preferences. This feedback is invaluable for making adjustments and ensuring that services meet traveller expectations. Airports are constantly evolving to meet the demands of modern travel, from incorporating the latest technology to adopting sustainable practices. They are at the forefront of innovation. The next time you travel, take a moment to appreciate the complex operations and strategic planning that go into running an airport. It's a fascinating blend of business acumen, logistical expertise, and customer service. If you found this peek behind the airport scenes intriguing, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more insider content. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to explore other hidden aspects of the aviation industry.